Hello, it's me again for the 7th video of February 15, 2023. Just now I just saw them taking like barricades off and something like that, and they're packing it in so early because they've been here for about 7 straight hours and they're just packing it in, putting things away. I didn't expect to be there today anyway. They actually fixing up the place. Right now it's about 3:10 in the afternoon. Just look at that bulldozer still. And right now it's still 60 degrees. I don't expect that in February. Last time we had that in February was back in 2017. At the time when I lived in New York. They got pretty warm around the beginning of winter recess. It was lucky. Because which is at the time I used to go to a thrift store on Pennsylvania Avenue buying CED video disc trays. Yep. When I lived in Queens, that's when I used to go to a thrift store over in downtown Brooklyn. I mean Queens, Brooklyn border. It's not exactly open on Saturdays. It opens on Sunday through Fridays. It was a good thrift store. I like the other one too in Jamaica. Opens every day, 7 days a week. Everybody's passing through. Yep. There's an ambulance. I think it's a fire marshal. Starting pretty soon, it's going to be my first 3 years of my the YouTubing. Everything's probably, all the barricades are just taken off. Yep. These barricades been there for about specifically 4 weeks when they did like that actual construction. That's when they built like this garage. And maybe a little bit later I'll do like the aftermath video when everybody's at home. Yeah. So I guess that wraps it up for this 7th video for February 15th of 2023. I'll see you maybe later, hopefully for Aftermath. Until then, enjoy the video. Bye.